Content creation is everything. We make videos, podcasts, pictures, flash reels, almost everything you come across provides some value. But the real challenge for content creators is producing the best punchy videos, converting long and raw content into meaningful and engaging shorts. And video content has become one of the best ways to reach and connect with people, whether you are a small business owner, an influencer like me, a marketer, or just someone who loves to tell their story. There are never been a better time to be part of this digital revolution with platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube giving you endless ways to share, create, and connect. But the question is, how do you make sure that your content not only stand out but also keep your audience interested the whole time? Well, the truth is that people don't pay as much attention as they used to. People scroll through their feeds very quickly, stopping only for a few seconds on things that catch their eyes. So you need to be smart as a content creator. You can't just have good content anymore. You also need to make sure that your videos are optimized for your platform, interesting, and easy to share. You need only more than just creativity to do that. You also need the right tools to help you speed up the process, save time, and have the biggest effect. That leads me to biggest problems creators have making long form content into short videos that your audience can watch quickly and easily. You might have spent hours making a podcast, a vlog, or a tutorial, but now you need to make sure that the most interesting parts are highlighted and that the content is in the right format for each platform. This means cutting your footage, adding captions, and making sure everything fits perfectly with the technical spec of each platform. All of these things can take a lot of time and effort, and this is where technology can really help. But before I get into a solution that can help you change the way you make videos, let's take a moment to talk about the tool that makes all of this possible. Opus Clip, an AI-powered tool that will change the way you edit videos, is the sponsor of this video. Opus Clip helps you automatically turn long-form content into shorts, engaging clips that are perfect for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. Whether you are an influencer, a small business owner, or a content creator like me looking to grow, Opus Clip uses AI to smartly look at your videos, pick out the most interesting parts, and format them for the best effect. You can focus on making videos and connecting with your audience because it's like having a personal video editor at your fingertips who works at lightning speed. You don't have to spend hours streaming, formatting, and adding captions with Opus Clip. The AI takes care of everything for you, saving your time and making sure your content always looks professional and polished. Opus Clips helps you get the most of your content by letting you quickly make shareable clips that grab people's attention whether you are working alone or with a team. And the best part is Opus Clip is now also available on iOS, so you can create and edit viral shorts clip directly from your mobile anytime, anywhere. I will talk more about how Opus Clip can help you content strategy in a minute, but for now let's get back to what we are talking about before. So now that we have talked about how technology can help you make videos more quickly, let's get to the heart of the matter, that is content strategy. You can have all the tools you need, but if you don't have a good content strategy, it will be hard to connect with your audience and grow your presence. Planning, consistency, and adaptability are all important parts of a content strategy. You want to make sure that your videos not only meet the needs of your audience but also stand out in a sea of content. When you make things for social media, one of the most important things to do is to know who you are making them for. It's very important to know what they like, how they act, and what kind of content they like. After you know what people want, the next step is to change your content to fit those needs without losing your own style or creative touch. It's really important to stay true to your brand, but it's also important to try out different formats, topics, and style to see what works best. Because as you try new things and improve your method, tools like Opus Clip can help by quickly and easily turning long videos into short shareable clips. And this not only helps you reach more people on different platforms, but it also lets you stick to a regular posting schedule, which is very important for keeping your audience interested. If you can make good content quickly, you are more likely to get a lot of people follow you. But the plan does not end with making content, it also includes looking at and measuring your results. Tools like Opus Clip can help you keep track of how well each video snip is doing, which can help you figure out what works and what does not. You can improve your content strategy over time by paying attention to these analytics. This will help you stay ahead in the content game. And having the best video is not enough to make great content. You also need to have the best strategy, the right tools, and the ability to connect with your audience in a way that feels natural and interesting. Tools like Opus Clip can help you reach your goals while saving your time and effort, whether you want to speed up your editing process, increase the amount of content you make, or just make your videos better. So that's it. I have also added the link of Opus Clip in my description below. Definitely go and check it now. And if you have any questions to this video and regarding Opus Clip, then definitely comment down below. And if you want to learn more about AI tool like this, then definitely watch this video now. And before going ahead, that red subscribe button and that like button too.